Hello fixers, I thought I'd do a quick video on how to change the pads on these types of headphones. These are my JBL 660 NCs. I absolutely love them. They are my lifeline. But as you can see, the pad's starting to go there. And that's because I tend to put one off my ear if somebody's talking and whatnot. And that's the reason for that essentially. But they are starting to go bare as well. So I thought I'd show you. I did a video previously on a different type of pad, the round pad, where you basically just thread it on. But these are a bit different, so let's give it a go. What you need to do is get something thin. Let me get that little notch off there. Something thin there. And you're going to just feed it down here. And then work these pads because they're hooked on there. Right, that's broke. So that's not going to do us any good. So maybe I need something a bit harder, but it is coming off. Just work your way around now. There we are. And it's off. It's that simple. What you want to try and do is be gentle or not to break these hooks. Apologies for the cut on my hand. I had to change switch in the shower and I cut my hand while I was doing it. So there we are. So we get the new one. So I've taken the left hand one off. So let's put the left hand one on. And this is just a case now of popping it in. I guess. And then going around it, making sure it's even all the way around, which this one is. And there you go. Nice new pad. Let's do this one. Say, take your time. Be gentle. Turn it around. Do the same here. And off it comes. Very easy. But there's a tendency to want to jam in and start ripping. And that's where you break these tabs on. So there's the right hand one. So literally line them up and pop them in. Here we are. All the way around. Even. Jobs are good then. There you go. Quick how to change the over the ear style pads on these headphones. Hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you soon. Ta-da all.